Right, so I'm still in Shanghai. Obviously, I'm in line two of Shanghai's tube system or underground or metro system, if that's how you want to think about it. And today is a Saturday, and as you see, at least on line two, it's extremely crowded in here. There's so many people, we literally can't find a seat. Even like, I'm guessing the people that's standing up is more than the people that's actually sitting down. So that's how you can tell that there's so many people, on Saturday on Shanghai's metro system. So yeah, and today we're going. Well, me and my cousin, we're going to ride the Maglev train in Shanghai. So I see you there basically.
请注意，后门4号车辆通车，免发回来信。下一站东昌路，开左边门。Next stop is China.
So now we're at the Maglev train station, and you can see my cousins there try to buy the ticket, and there's the thing is the way you buy the ticket. Yeah, it says Maglev Ticket Center. So there we go. Time to go on it. And there's the Maglev ticket, as you can see here, and the back. Here we go upstairs. Up the stairs is the station. I've actually been on the Maglev train once, so this is my second time, but still, second time is still special, quite special. And Alright, so here is the rail. As you can see, it's quite different from a conventional train because obviously this thing flows by, magnets. Well, it's actually electromagnets, so, which is good because you can turn it on and off because a normal magnet is permanently on. And I think that's the runway, so I think it actually comes from there. Yeah. So it only has 2 stations. Its starting station is this station, which is somewhere. I'm not sure exactly where it is, but all I can tell you is that it's somewhere in West Shanghai, and it goes to the Pudong International Airport, which is actually, I think it's the only international airport in Shanghai actually. And I'm gonna wait to see if I can film it arriving. So see you later. So just to give you a quick explanation of how the Maglev train works. So obviously you might have learned this in primary school or secondary school. I've actually learned this in year 7. I think it was actually quite early in year 7. Which is the first year in secondary schools. If you were in my class, you might have remembered that day. So how this train works is, on a normal train, obviously the train has metal wheels that goes on the rail, but because the wheel is physically touching the rail, that creates friction, which slows the train down. Now in Maglev train, it uses electromagnets to make the train float, but essentially float on top of the rail. Now the benefit of that is obviously that there is no friction between the train and the rail, so that increases the speed of That increases the speed of the magnet train significantly, which is why magnet trains are, I think it's the fastest type of train in the world. What else to say? I was thinking of something. Hang on a second. Excuse me. Oh yeah, so there's no friction between the train. Oh, there it is. There it comes. I can see it. I think it's coming from the left, so I'm gonna film from there. So the only force that actually affects the train negatively is air resistance, and that's it really. Normally, for a vehicle that physically touches the ground, there's obviously air resistance and friction are the two most biggest negative effect that reduces its speed. But on the maglev train, because it's not physically touching its rail, there's no friction between the train and the rail, so that increases the speed dramatically. The only really force that slows it down is air resistance, really. Oh, here it comes. It actually looks quite futuristic, at least to me, really, which is why I like it, because I like futuristic stuff. I just think that futuristic stuff looks very cool. So there it is. And now I think I'm gonna go on now, actually. So the door is opening. Let's go.
Which way are you going? Well, everyone else is going this way. Where do we go? No, we're sitting with everybody else. We'll go with everyone else.
Okay. 我们坐在这里好了。Okay, so we're inside the train. As you can see, nice soft seats. And now all we need to do is just wait for the train to start.